So we're going to start with an exercise in double plough stance. Like this, you've got your feet in front and your hands behind, like this. And this is a very simple exercise, and you can find this one in the Climb book if you want to read up on it. So, it's very simple. I'll just talk you through it first. We're going to breathe in and lift the hips up, and then relax, breathe out through the mouth, back to the start position. And then we breathe in and reach forwards. If you can touch your toes, good. If you can't, don't worry. Work your way up to it. And then breathe out as you come back to the start position. Okay, here we go. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. Now you can do these exercises 2 times for beginners or 4 times if you're more advanced. And now we're going to do the extension. And with the extension to the exercise, very much the same thing. We're going to stretch a bit further, and so you're pushing the hips up a bit further and also taking your head back. And then on the second part of the exercise, when we're reaching forward, we're taking the head forwards as well. So with the extension, there's 3 things to bear in mind. Firstly, don't hold the extreme position. So you go to the extreme, immediately relax. Don't stay stuck in that position. The second thing is it's just normal breathing. And the third, and probably the most important thing, is to feel for the muscle changes that are going on inside your body. Because where your mind goes, that's where your chi goes. So feeling what's going on is really just helping to increase the amount of energy flowing in the exercise. Okay, so here we go, natural breathing. A bit further, take the head back. Relax when you get to the peak of the movement, and then forwards. Take the head forwards, and then relax. Back to the start position, and then once again,